All right, so he's tired. All right, keep an eye on that because one just ate that, but we're just gonna ignore that for now. Just if that rod flies off, just don't let it. Like, don't touch it. Like, yeah. The one on that one's gonna be pretty good. Just let it swim, honestly. Okay, that's a big fish. We're gonna leave that for a second. Now we're gonna go. You still video? All right, I'm gonna grab the scale. You're okay. All right, comes out like butter.
Are you? Dude, you better chill.
Don't run. Why are you running, bro? It's not gonna hurt you. Okay, this one's big. I'm guessing 9 pounds. Let's see. Oh my gosh, I was way off. 6.5. Okay, I'll show you a little closer. I'm not gonna hit you with it, bro. 6.5 pound catfish. Look at the back. Look at the belly. All right, and then just like this. Whoa. Sweet. All right, I'm tossing it back.